Hi everyone, this is Cook Sensei. I am making this video to say thank you so much. どうもありがとうございました for signing up for my this free workshop. And for you joining the Facebook group, I want to say thank you so much for joining. I really hope we had a good time. We spent almost what 1 week together, and to be honest, I was kind of a little bit worried that maybe not many people are interested, drawing manga anime. But I got so many, sign-ups, and it just makes me so happy that there are so many people like me around the world wanting to draw manga anime. Um, so it was great. And remember, I asked you on a sign up form, I asked you, can I ask the reason why you sign up? And many people answered why the reason. And I was reading literally every single person's comment, like reason why they sign up. It was just a treasure to me because I wanted to know, what your intention is. So it was really amazing. I want to say thank you for taking time to answering my question. And if you joined my program, where I'm very looking forward to spend 8 weeks together, you will get an email from me next week. So wait for it. But I really hope it's not the last time that we see each other. Please follow me the Instagram so you know what's up, and I will send you the newsletters. I try not to make a boring, you know, newsletters, so I do my best. But yeah, so it's time to say goodbye. Thank you so much again. And I want to say see you again. Bye bye.